So now that you saw me installing or setting up the wild badger, you see how easy it is and how comfortable it is to use with the harness. I'm assuming this is like protector for that area. So someone who's never used one of these, I figured it out pretty easy. And again, I'm assuming that this is a protector, but the hook makes it very comfortable to carry around, and it is a little heavy on the side, so that's why the harness is a really good idea. And it comes with it, and as you can see, it has a padding on the shoulder, and it comes with the extra blade and all the tools that you need to change the blade or assemble it. It was very simple. It is a 26cc engine, just regular gas and oil, and very easy to use. It has just a trigger and the safety handle, so that you have to push one to trigger it to be able to activate it. It is basically all you need for your yard is a trimmer, the hedger, and the edging. And so you can cut pretty thick tree limbs with the edger or with the blades. And again, it's very comfortable for if you're gonna do the branches on the tree or bushes. I don't have any bushes, so I can't show you, but as you can see when I was carrying it, it is very easy to move around and to be very fluid with it, so you can keep a even level. So all in all, it is, especially for me, which is a first timer, was easy to put together. It is comfortable to carry on and very easy to use. So I hope that you guys find it as easy, as convenient, and as good quality as I am.